You have been posting videos, but your views are low. Your subscribers are stuck. You are wondering if this YouTube thing is even for you. Well, guess what? You don't need a laptop. You don't need any fancy editing equipment. All you need is your phone and me. I am Blessing, and today I'm showing you the exact step you can use to grow your YouTube channel starting right now. All right, step 1, find your content style. The first thing is to pick a style you can do easily with your phone. You don't need to vlog if that is not your vibe. You can do voiceover videos, you can do tutorial plus screen recordings, you can do faceless videos with background music, you can do skits or storytelling with captions. All right, just pick what feels natural, not just what is trending. If you stay consistent, your style will grow too. So make your style grow. All right. So step 2, record with good lighting. You don't need a ring light to start. Use daylight, face your window or sit outside. Also, clean your phone camera lens before recording. That small details make your video crispy and clear. If you record clean videos, apps like CapCut and VN can help you do clean edits. All right. Now, step 3, create catchy thumbnails. If nobody clicks, nobody watches. So your thumbnails must show your face clearly. Have 3 to 5 words maxi. Use bold fonts and bright colors. Don't crap too much text. Simplicity wins. You can use Canva on your phone to design your thumbnails in minutes. You can design your thumbnails with your Canva. All right. Step 4, write titles people actually search. Use keywords people are already searching. For example of a bad title is "Watch me edit a video." No, say "How I edit my YouTube videos on my phone." Use apps like TubeBuddy or simple search on YouTube and see what titles are trending. Then copy the style and make it your own. Step 5, be consistent. Even if no one is watching, post 2 to 3 times a week. Don't wait for perfection. Post what you have. Every video is a step closer to success. Even if you get 10 views, that's 10 people who saw your face today. Your job is to keep showing up. Growth comes when you stay visible. Remember, YouTube is not luck, it's strategy plus patience. So use shorts to bring people in. Use long videos to grow watch time. Also, comment on big YouTubers' video with value, not spam. Join Facebook or WhatsApp groups to share your content. Add end screen and pin comments to keep people watching more of your videos. All right, to keep people watching more of your videos. If this video helped you, imagine what more I have got coming. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. I'm Blessing, and I'm here to grow your YouTube the smart way, the fun way, and the real way. See you on the next one.